Number 8, final country, Croatia. And we finally got our passport stamped for the first time on our road trip.
8 countries, and if there were 8 sanity coupons on my parent card, I think I punched all 8.
You're at the end of your wick.
I'm at the end of my wick. Good thing we're ending today.
Okay.
So mad.
I think we found a money exchanger, which I've been waiting for a really long time to find. Alright, we got Croatian money. Wow. They wouldn't take the Chinese money.
They said they're just too small of an office. She said she's never even seen it.
I have to wait till we fly out of Rome. Hopefully we can spend this Croatian currency. We don't have a problem spending money, typically, do we?
Diapers, wipes,
Dinner, date night,
movie night,
babysitter,
movie night, babysitter. Oh, we're out.
Welcome to Croatia. We're just waking up. It's not super early. It's just early for the 7 wayfinders. And there's cows in our yard. We were warned that there's 5 village cows that everyone loves. And now we can see them. Lucy let me know. Hi, Lucy. I'm showing the cows. Yeah, there was 2 right there. They just went around the corner. There's the other one. This is called natural mowing. Just get yourself some cows. Looks like someone came to round up the cows. Oh, hit him with the stick. Showed up super late, like 2 in the morning. So I may give you a little tour of the house. It won't be as clean because the kids have been in it. But it's really beautiful. You already saw our cow experience outside. And this is Mommy and Daddy's room. As usual, Mommy has already unpacked all of her clothing. And Daddy has not. Lincoln's bedroom. He gets this cool glass wall. And there's this beautiful iron staircase. It smells really good. Daddy's made some breakfast. Here's the bathroom. They have these big fancy tubs, which are kind of fun. Here is Grant and Harry's room with a bunk. And Lucy's room. And Gracie's room. Not that she sleeps in the crib. She's just kind of grown out of the crib, but we're gonna keep her in the crib because there's nowhere else for her to sleep in most of the houses we stay in. Alright, coming down these beautiful stairs. This is kind of like the formal living room area, and then there's a big formal dining room, which we're telling the kids is adult only territory. Here's the other bathroom. Here's the patio. And then we've got the kitchen with Chef Daddy. We got Sicko Grant. Huh, Grant, you not feeling good? One of our favorite features of this house, which I desperately want in whatever house we get. Check this out. Each window has one of these. They're like these metal electric shades that make the room so dark and wonderful. Makes our bedroom so dark. So they have like a little mini vineyard here. How's it been working in here, honey?
A dream.
Your dream office?
It's been great. The only downside is that occasionally my kids will come over here and in the middle of the call be like, "Hey, Dad!"
Which I warned him about, but he was determined. See, this is all open right here. So anytime they go up the stairs, they can talk to Dad. Weather's been beautiful. There was one wicked thunderstorm overnight where so much lightning. And the next morning the cows were in our yard, so I think they got scared. But we were told there's 5 village cows that just sort of roam around. Lots of stuff for the kids to do here. Trampoline, gazebo, barbecue pit, pool. I don't think it's heated though, so none of us have been in it yet. This house is super fun. Check it out. It has 4 balconies on each side of the house. So every room basically has at least 1 balcony. There's the Big Daddy!